What's up, Kill2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. I said I'm back again with another video. So pretty much in this video, I just want to show you that my Google Pixel 6 Pro is currently getting an update, but I am on the 13QPR3 beta. So this is an update that I'm currently getting for my Google Pixel 6 Pro. I'm really not sure if there's any big updates, pretty much probably just some bug fixes, but I just wanted to show you that I am currently downloading this update right now, as you can see here. And this is what it says. It says this update will install a beta version of Android 13 QPR3 on your device. This pre-release version may contain errors and defects that can affect normal functioning of your device, which, as long as I've been running the beta program on this device, I haven't really had any problems, so I'm not too much worried about that. Then it just says important. It just tells you if you want to cancel this and get out of it, that you will lose your backups and the data that you already have on this device. And then you can go here to learn more about the beta program, and pretty much it just says beta is now available and offers quarterly platform releases for the current stable platform that include feature drops, bug fixes, and performance improvements ahead of the policy release. And then this is pretty much what it's showing you, how to uninstall it or how to enroll in it and unenroll in it. But I just wanted to make this quick little video and show you that I am currently installing the update on my Google Pixel 6 Pro. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.